guys, welcome back to the channel. So today we're gonna be trying to replace this right here, which is the Smart 2, the Smart Light Switch 2, I think it is. Yeah, the toggle switch kit for the Smart Plow 2, I guess. This is the second model, but I have the second one. And then I guess these are universals. I think they're from 2 and up. I don't think these fit the first. So we're gonna be trying to replace this, and I'm gonna show you guys a step by step because there's not so much videos out there replacing this. So I'm gonna show you guys real quick how to do this. I guess hopefully it goes well. There is one video out there, but it's pretty long and a little bit, I don't know, just confusing, I guess, for me. But I'm gonna try to make this as simple as I possibly can for you guys, and you guys are gonna stay tuned for that if you guys are interested in this. So let's get this done, guys. So what I did first is I ended up putting the plow down and I put it on float mode, and then we took that pin out right there from right here, and then you take this whole pin out. So I'm gonna get a hammer or something, I'm gonna pry that out, and I'll show you guys. And then this whole hydraulic comes down, so it pops out, and then you pop these out. So let's get this pin out, this hydraulic pulled back, and then get these pin ripped, this zip tie ripped, and this open. When you buy the little kit from your Boss dealer, it should come with 2 little papers like this. This is for the straight blade. You guys can see right there, RT3 straight blade with Smart Hitch 2, and then it also comes with the V blade. This is the V blade. I'm not gonna show you guys the V blade one, but you guys can screenshot this or save this and check it out. It's pretty similar, but it's just different connections because this comes in 4 right here. 1, 2, 3, 4 solenoids right there. And then this one has 1, 2, 3. So this is gonna be, I'm gonna just show you guys real quick. It's just plug and play. All we did was pretty much, we kept the same switch here. We actually didn't have to, we didn't have to pretty much replace it because the wiring was not installed correctly on this plow. The wiring was messed up, and we ended up fixing that. The wires actually work on our old one, so we're just gonna keep that for a future replacement if we need to replace it. But all we pretty much did was, you guys can see right here, this cable is the pump cable, I believe. It comes from inside of the vehicle. That goes up the top right here in the top corner. You guys can see right here. The colors are pretty simple. You guys can see right here, that little black and white one right there. It's pretty much this black and white cable that gets connected to this right here. And then the cable that comes with the kit that has double white, which is pretty much the white, the smaller piece gets connected to this corner black right here, gets connected to that one. So there's right here, you guys can tell, gets connected, and then the other long piece gets connected in the middle, along with this black tape looking seal right here. And then the 2 double oranges go in the back. You got to go from the farthest, the longest cable right here. The first double goes on the top, and then the second one goes at the bottom corner right down there, and then the single one goes in the middle in the front. And then down here is our black. I believe that's our ground right there, or see, no, it's a ground. No, yeah, that should be our ground right here. This ground goes connected all the way over here, right here. Check it out. Same thing with the white one, goes connected over here, and you replace it with your pink one or brown one, whatever you have, but it should be there. It's pretty much self-explanatory. Everything's all there. Just plug and play, to be honest. That's all we pretty much did. We just followed this little diagram and pretty much replaced it. But if you guys, the pump, I mean, it worked already, but it just didn't go up. It didn't let the plow go up and connect to the truck. So I thought it was just a bad cable or something. So we got the kit, and then it ended up being the cables were not wired in correctly, and we actually wired them correctly. So we're gonna keep this kit for future purposes, and that's pretty much it. In case you guys are wondering, you guys can see how I got it cabled in wired in right there. You guys can see right now, this is the small white cable, and like I told you guys, this gets connected to this top corner along with the black and white one that's already comes with your plow. And then the rest are orange and black. Black is all the way at the bottom. This is a good shot right here. You guys can tell. You guys can see these two get connected. The orange one gets connected alone, the black one alone. The 2 orange in the back and the 2 orange in the top. And then the white in the center. And that white runs all the way over here, same thing with the orange. So it's pretty much self-explanatory there. Nothing too difficult, but in case you guys don't want to go out and buy a kit and you guys might have just bad wiring, here is a little diagram of what you guys can do first before you guys replace the whole switch and everything. So now we gotta put the pump back up, the cover back in, and then we'll be all set. So I'll show you guys when we're all wrapped up, and then I'll give you guys a little example of how it's working. So when before we first installed this, it was the plow would go down. So if I was to unmount the plow, take it off from my truck, if I press the switch, the plow would come down, and I wouldn't have to worry about it coming down slowly or whatever, pushing it. But the problem was when we had to mount it on the truck, we had to push this. Then you have 2 people to push this because it's how tight the hydraulics are and everything. So yeah, so that's pretty much all we pretty much did. So I'll show you guys when we have all this connected back together and everything. That's all we pretty much took out, pretty much this bolt right here and then the plastic. So I'm gonna get everything back together now. So I'm gonna demonstrate to you guys what exactly works now. So we ended, like I told you guys, we ended up fixing this switch here. I wasn't able to unmount the plow with it or mount the plow with it. It only worked one angle, but now it works. You guys can tell now it works. Let me just make sure the plow is on float mode, and I'm gonna show you guys what exactly was done here. So on float mode, there it is. I'm gonna unmount it for you guys, and then I'll mount it back on. But here it is. I'm mounting real quick just to show you guys that it works now, because it was not working before. Now it's gonna make my life a little easier to mount this baby on. So I'm gonna unmount it now. Watch. You go up. There you go. See that? This baby is off now. You guys can tell. 100% off. Boom. So the only thing I gotta fix now is the spring, because when I put this lever in, you see the pin goes all the way in. So that's like a 2-man job that I gotta do there. So let me get that real quick. See, now it's the pin is set right. I just gotta fix that pin. I don't know how I should do that. I don't know if I should buy a new one, or maybe I can bend it a little, but that's not a big issue right now. And then let me do the other side so I can mount it for you guys, and you guys are gonna see. Check this out. And then all I gotta do is this. See that? There we go. She's mounted. There you go. So that's pretty much all I did, guys. Just gotta fix these headlights now. I'm probably gonna order some LEDs. We'll see, and I'll show you guys when I install them, if I do get some. So we'll see, guys. Stay tuned for that. So that's gonna wrap it up for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. You guys found some educational purpose out of it, and hope you guys can fix your guys' own plows. I could have taken it in to get fixed, but they would have probably charged me, you know, 100 an hour plus parts. So they probably would have charged me like 200 bucks. And so I pretty much just saved myself the 200 bucks there and did it myself, because I have free time right now since it's winter. So that's pretty much a wrap for this video, guys. Please like, comment down below what you guys think, if this is helpful for you guys or not, and stay tuned for another video. I'm probably gonna be ordering some headlights for this baby, LED headlights. So I'll make a video of installing that as well for you guys. And yeah, so please press the like button and subscribe for more content, guys.